Hey traders, it's Thursday, September 12th, 6 a.m., and we're ready to kick off the day with 5 key updates before the New York market opens. Are you prepared for another exciting ride on the market's roller coaster? Are you ready for another thrilling day on the market roller coaster? We'll check the VIX, Fear and Greed Index, Market Analyzer, and the news on ForexFactory. We call these the market movers, and believe me, you don't want to be caught napping when they knock on the door. All right, people, let's talk about the VIX, aka the Volatility Index. And guess what? Our beloved VIX is sitting at 17.78, which is up by plus 0.09 or plus 51%. Now, if you're thinking, wait, is that good or bad? Let me explain. The VIX measures how crazy the market is acting, like a mood ring for traders. Right now, 17.78 means the market is kind of chill. But there's a slight bump. It's like when your friend says they're fine, but you know they're about to send a long text about their feelings. So buckle up. Think of it this way. VIX is like the weather app for your investments. A low VIX means it's all sunshine and rainbows. A high VIX? Grab your umbrella because it's stormy. Next up, the Fear and Greed Index. Right now, it's sitting at 43%. That's like when you're 43% sure you want that extra slice of pizza. A bit cautious, but also pizza. In the market, a low number means investors are more scared than a cat at a dog park. High numbers mean they're greedy, like your cousin at an all-you-can-eat buffet. Today's 43%, it's sitting right in the middle. Investors aren't running scared, but they're also not popping champagne just yet. Remember, folks, sometimes the best thing to do is to sit back, relax, and let the market do its thing. Don't chase the Fear and Greed Index like you chase the ice cream truck. All right, let's take a peek at the Market Analyzer. Now, if you're like me, when you hear big numbers, you might get a little dizzy. But don't worry, I've got you. Let's break it down. E-mini S&P 500 is at 113,000, the DOW at 13,000. NASDAQ is chilling at 63,000. Now, these numbers, they're like your favorite coffee shop's menu. Sure, they're big and sometimes overwhelming, but all you need to know is which one you want to order today. The E-mini S&P 500 is looking strong, like a double-shot espresso. The Dow, it's steady, reliable, like that classic cup of joe. NASDAQ, oh baby, that's your iced caramel macchiato, sweet but packs a punch. These are the numbers that tell you how the market's feeling today. So plan your strategy. And hey, whether you're a risk taker or playing it safe, always know what flavor of the market you're sipping on. Okay, money fans, time for some important news from the ForexFactory. Coming in hot today at 8:30 a.m., we've got some spicy reports to watch out for. Core PPI month over month, last time 0.0%. That's flatter than a soda left out all night. PPI month over month, last time 0.1%. Small, but hey, it counts. Unemployment claims, last time 227.000. Yep, that's a lot of people filing for jobless benefits. And later today, the 30-year bond auction, last time 4.31%. So what does this mean? Well, for starters, if you're trading, these numbers are like traffic lights for your strategy. Red light, stop. Green light, go. Yellow, maybe slow down and think it through. The core PPI tells us how much businesses are paying for goods. If it goes up, prices might rise. The unemployment claims, well, it's kind of like when you see everyone rushing to leave a party, you gotta ask why. And that 30-year bond auction? It's a big deal if you're into long-term investments. Think of it as locking in your money's future at a nice, juicy rate. Use these updates to plan your trading strategy for today. Here are the 5 things investors should watch today when making their decisions. First impulse, ECB interest rate decision. The ECB will announce its interest rate decision this Thursday at 8:15 a.m. People expect a rate cut from the bank. At 8:45 a.m., Christine Lagarde, the ECB president, will give a press conference. Second impulse, ECOFIN meeting. There's an ECOFIN meeting happening today, the same day the ECB announces its rate decision. Investors are watching to see if any of its members reveal new information about the Eurozone economy. Third impulse, cryptocurrencies and commodities. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile. Bitcoin is trading at $58,000 and Ethereum is at $2,300. We're also watching the price of US coffee these days. Today, it's at $249. Gold futures are also important today, priced at around $2,545. Fourth impulse, Asia and U.S. stock markets. Mixed signals from Asian stock markets today. The Nikkei is up 3.4%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng has gained 1%, while the Shanghai Composite is down 0.1%. On Wall Street, the market finished in the green yesterday. The S&P 500 closed up 1%, NASDAQ 2.1%, and Dow Jones 0.3%. Fifth impulse, macro data. In Europe, key economic data include Spain's inflation, CPI, and Germany's wholesale price index. In the US, we'll see the producer price index, PPI, and new jobless claims. Here are 5 daily impulses to keep an eye on today for smart trading moves. Whether it's US inflation, the Eurogroup meeting, or the ups and downs of crypto prices, these factors can shake up the market. Always remember, the market is like a wild animal. It's always moving and tough to predict, but that's what makes it fun. The secret to doing well is to stay updated, be disciplined, and keep learning. Read a lot. Follow the news. Most importantly, get involved. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro to start investing. Begin small, do your homework, and don't worry about making mistakes. I'd love to know what you're watching in the market today. What's exciting you? What's making you feel nervous? Let's chat about it. Happy trading. See you tomorrow, traders.